Transform your home into a heaven of delightful fragrances with our best-to-read diffusers. Elevate your living spaces with our carefully curated selection. Dive into a world of scents that suit every mood and ambience. Discover the art of home fragrance with our best-to-read diffusers. Let's pack up and go with the best-to backpacks on Amazon. Bring the ocean into your home with this reed diffuser featuring a refreshing ocean breeze scent. Create a coastal ambience effortlessly. Experience tranquility with the woody and calming scent of sandalwood. This reed diffuser adds a touch of serenity to any room. Indulge in the sweet and warm fragrance of vanilla with this reed diffuser. Transform your home into a cozy heaven with this delightful scent. Energize your space with the refreshing aroma of citrus fruits. This reed diffuser brings a burst of invigorating scents, perfect for boosting your mood. Elevate your home with the calming scent of lavender. This set includes natural reeds and a premium lavender oil blend, creating a peaceful atmosphere